Dr. Dala is no stranger to the fight against HIV and AIDS and the AIDS Council Secretariat. In the last 5 years, he has been the principal advisor to the government on issues to do with HIV. Today was his first appearance as the director of the AIDS Secretariat.
And so the job is not new, as correctly mentioned by the minister, but the task is even bigger because it is now taking on a senior management role.
With his experience and his medical background on the study of HIV, he says a new strategy will be put in place to focus more on STIs, which he believes will be an effective way to combat HIV. This, he says, will be a huge task. However, once resources are mobilized, the new strategy will be rolled out through a collective effort from all stakeholders.
To effectively combat HIV, we need to also address STIs simultaneously and with equal importance and urgency. So that's why the development of the new strategy, I was the co-person in there. And so it will be fitting that I advise the government accordingly and through the guidance of the council and the minister to advise the government in terms of mobilizing resources.
Supporting Dr. Dala's plans, Health Minister Sir Puka says HIV and AIDS is a development issue and he will work with Dr. Dala in moving forward the new strategy. He says under the new plans, they will work around to see the powers of the NACS are distributed to every province through their provincial health authorities. Similar plans will be applied to combat other diseases like TB and malaria.
Chairman and the director will report directly to me as minister. And then we will now have to go back to the provinces under the provincial health authorities. In our previous pacts, how do we get the STI, HIV, TB officers streamlined, and how do they report directly to the director and us at this level, and for me to report to Parliament. So that's the structure that we are looking at.
Meanwhile, out of the 117 staff, 94 have been retrenched, while 23 have remained as casuals. 38 new positions have been created and will be advertised in the coming weeks.
I will draw on the experience of people who are here and also with the council and the leadership of the chairman to make sure that this organization functions with good governance, which has been lacking for some time.
Stanley Over Jr., National EMTV News.